Okay, tubers, another update. I made the seat, I guess you want to call it a seat pan, whatever. It's out of wood, made out of, I think, 3/4 inch plywood. Nothing special, just need a basic form so I can put foam on it and then cover it. So that's what I have. No big deal. I just screwed it into the back there, drilled holes, used wood screws. Yeah, no big deal. So it should work out just fine. So yep, it's coming out pretty good. Really happy with it. Just waiting for my gas tank to show up. I was going to build a gas tank for it, but I just don't feel like sitting there with the rubber mallets and the sandbag and the plenishing hammer and just hours and hours of work and to build a tank. And yeah, my shoulders just aren't up to it. Maybe my next one I will. I just don't have that much room in my garage to get all that out right now and reassemble it. So I bought a gas tank off of eBay. I forgot what it's for. It's off of a mini bike, but I'll probably cut it up and change some stuff about it. I'll make a video on it. Maybe I'll leave it alone. I don't know. So, but yeah, that's what I got so far. More headway. I don't know at this point what time, at what point I'm going to stop and actually say it's good enough. I'm not sure yet. I think after I have the gas tank and then maybe the exhaust and air cleaner, I don't know. We'll see. I'm just trying to take my time with it and build it really good. Alright, that's all I have for now. I'll give you another update video as soon as I can. Bye.